To find and manage sound settings on a Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we need to open the settings. Now, once you open settings on your phone, then we should be able to go to sound and vibration. Once you go here, we have a couple of D&D settings, like actually gestures, like flip for D&D, which allows you to turn your phone upside down or just face down, I guess, and automatically activate the D&D mode. We also have pick up to silent, so when someone calls you can pick up your phone and then the ringtone is going to be muted. Then we have a volume slider, so you can adjust the media volume, call volume, ringtone volume, notification volume, and the alarm volume. There is also audio will play on or the media output, so you can choose which device should be used in order to play media, which can be useful if you have, let's say, a Bluetooth device connected to your phone and you want to switch from that Bluetooth device to your phone's speakers without having to disconnect the Bluetooth device. Now, besides that, we have multi-volume option, which allows you to control individual volumes for multiple apps, so you can tap on the switcher to turn it on or off. There is also the automatic mute option, which of course you can toggle if needed. And then we have ringtone and sound section, where we can toggle dial pad tones. We have the ringtone selection, so you can choose the ringtone for your SIM, or both SIMs, of course, if you wanted to do that, if you have two SIMs. We have the selection of the notification sound, so you can choose the notification sound that should be played, of course, when you receive a notification. We have the alarm sound, you can also choose the default alarm sound. And we also have a couple of additional system sounds, such as the screen locking sound, tap and click sounds, and the screenshot sound. There is also the vibration section, so you can manage vibration and haptics over here. You can make some adjustments here and there, or you can just completely turn off vibration and haptics if you don't need them. There is also the option that allows you to show the vibrate mode icon on the top over here on the status bar when the vibrate mode is activated, because by default, if you have the vibrate mode activated, it is not being displayed over here at the top, and you can actually change that. Then we have some additional options such as charging sounds and vibrations, so this is pretty much another system sound that can be toggled. We have Dolby Atmos section, which can be toggled if you have anything connected to your phone. Unfortunately, if you use just the phone speakers, then you cannot really turn off Dolby Atmos, you are forced to use it. And you can also go to settings over here if you want to make some adjustments for the Dolby Atmos. We have Crystal Talk AI, which technically allows you to switch modes to reduce background noise when you are on a VoIP call. For some reason, in my case, it is like deactivated, and I'm not entirely sure why. I suspect it might be because something has to be connected to the phone, like for example earbuds or something, to actually be able to use it. Although I am not entirely sure, and I didn't figure it out just yet. Then we have media section, where we can pin a media player to the lock screen, or actually the quick settings, I guess. So if you open the control center over here, then you should be able to have the media player if you have, for example, Spotify or something similar to listen to music. Then we also have media controls, so when this option is enabled, you can go to the next track or previous track by using volume up or volume down. But that works only if the screen is off. You can of course press and hold volume up or volume down in order to do so, of course. So it's not like you just press the button, you actually have to press and hold it to go to the next or previous track. And there is also the live caption option, which we can easily enable or disable. And of course, we also have some settings related to the live caption feature as well. And that is pretty much it. These are all the settings that are related to sound on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. Leave a like and subscribe.